In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive an email in Gmail. We'll be working on a computer using the Gmail website, and by the end, you'll know how to quickly archive a single message or clean up a bunch of emails at once without deleting anything important. Archiving is a great way to clear your inbox while keeping messages safely stored in your account. Unlike deleting, archiving simply moves the email out of your inbox so it's not in your way, but it remains available in your mailbox and can be found again with search or through your labels. Let's start with archiving an individual email. Open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're looking at your inbox. Move your mouse over the email you want to tidy away. As you hover, you'll notice a few icons appear on the right side of that row. Look for the archive icon. This is the small box with a downward arrow. Click that icon. The email will disappear from your inbox, which confirms it's archived. You haven't deleted it and you haven't blocked the sender. You've simply removed it from your inbox view so you can focus on what matters right now. This is perfect for messages you've already handled or don't need to see every day, but still want to keep. Now, if you've got several emails you want to move out of your inbox in one sweep, you can archive them in bulk. In your inbox, click the small checkbox to the left of each email you want to archive. As you select messages, a toolbar appears at the top of the page. In that toolbar, find the same archive icon, the box with a downward arrow, and click it. All the selected emails will be archived together. This is especially useful after a busy day or week when you've already reviewed messages and just want to clear the clutter without losing anything. A quick note on why this is helpful. Archiving keeps your inbox lean, which makes it easier to see new and urgent items, and it helps you avoid the temptation to delete messages you might need later. It's a simple habit that can keep your email organized with just a couple of clicks. That's all you need to keep your inbox tidy using Gmail's archive feature, whether you're handling one message or many at once. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you streamline your inbox, feel free to continue practicing these steps to maintain a clean and focused workspace.